In this new Costco, Montebello, gotta pick up some Hennessy. You know we not in the ghetto because they usually lock up their Hennessy at the Century one. Over here in Montebello, they don't lock it up. $64.99. Ugh. This little bugger mess up the whole camera, yo. His sticky ass finger. Welcome back to another day in my world. You already know it's all about Biggas world. Happy Sunday. We got the buckle of Henny. You see it there? Right there, pool party vibes. Mod. Yo. I mean. Oh. I mean. Ready. Ready. Come, Aiden. Let's go. Alright, let's go in. What do you mean? Food ready, just bloody in time. What does?
Last minute food party.
Up and running. One of all I keep. I'm getting it.
Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. We're ready. Bigger.
I'm like, why you didn't make it back up?
Quality here. That's right. Show them how you do it, Bigger. Yeah, Bigger. One more time, Bigger. Show them. One more time, Bigger. That's why I got to turn the process.
No, you come back.
Alright, guys. Let's do it for twin two. Let's hear it. Let's do it for twin two, guys.
What happened to you? You don't know how to swim?
Why does he keep doing that? Come around. What please they come.
Brittany, you don't know him, huh?
Come.
So you better get towards that wall first.
Now this big nigga wanted to get in the pool. Somebody push you in?
GK, shut up. GK, shut up. Get the swimwear. I gotta tell you what that camera stands.
Hey, it's not going up nobody's butt, bro. I wonder how you know. I wonder how you know about that. Hey, that's a plug. It's still going on. Well, Aiden, Uncle Baby. Hey, boy. Ah.
Wait. Can all the guys move up? Yeah.
Move out the way, Prime.
DJ early warm up. You work for Gateway Entertainment.
You guys stay too long.
Yeah, you know. Somebody gotta say go.
Let's come in. J-Mac, you can float. J-Mac gonna float, bro.
Oh, boom, you niggas go. Come on, let's go. You ready? Go. Hold on, bro.
How you get in that?
Already cheated. Bang. Boom.
What the hell?
Big ass nigga. Somebody push me! I got pushed! Somebody kicked me in my head! It's always like that! Always treat me right back! I can't go back!
Bad thing. On a good Sunday, though. full settings. Family thing, bro. Family is everything. One.
She said, wait. Come on, man. On your mark. Players Club. Ready? In the bathroom. 1, 2, 3. Niggas be cheating.
I told you stop floating, bro. I told you stop floating.
Swimming class by the Coliseum. I always work. I got hit by the ball, bro. You hit the wall. Two at a time. J-Mac. Yeah, 2 at a time.
Mom, who told you you could drive?
Brandon, just get in the car. Okay? I know the drive. I just don't like to go backward.
Boy, I gotta clean my damn camera because Aiden always doing some shit.
Get a wipe.
Mom, I'm not gonna wet up with the lens. It's a camera. But Mom, me and Mom is here. It's the next day. She recovered already. Abigail recovered. I'm still trying to recover. I had so much fun yesterday. It was lit. Mom.
Yep. Everybody was funny.
Yeah, we had. I didn't record a lot
pushing people in the pool
because my camera cost a lot, and I didn't have a GoPro. If I had a GoPro, then yeah. But I had fun. Mom had fun.
And the barbecue was on point. I mean, that guy really know how the barbecue and the sauce, because the sauce that make that barbecue good too.
Saucy. But before we get any further in this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you tell a friend and tell another friend and all the shit. Forget it, all your friends. It's all about Biggas world. So right now that you see that Mommy's driving, she does not like my driving. I don't know why, but she doesn't like my driving, so she's driving right now, and we're going to a doctor appointment for her. Mom have like 15 different doctors. I'm just kidding. She only has 3, right?
No.
More than 3?
5.
About 5?
Specialists. All the rest is specialists. Oh, yeah.
Jesus Christ.
One doctor, internal doctor, and then all the rest is specialists.
So yeah. Even though she be wobbling and she walk with a cane now, she can still drive. Hi, Fatty. We're back. No, me and you argue about this damn vlog camera all the time. Come on, let's go eat. Come on. I'm back. Yo, I took a massive nap, bro. So I'm back on the road. The nap was good. I feel good. Yo, had me some fruit and ting. So now I'm back on the road. I'm at the airport about to pick up Erica. You know, today is her mother flipping birthday. So we have to figure out what we are gonna do. Today is her Earth Strong. So I'm picking her up from the airport. Yes, and I'm gonna vlog her Ross. Cause you know she crazy. You know she always got something to say. So, yo. Wait until we see her. Only Erica will walk in the middle of the street. Oh my God. Why are you walking in the middle of the street?
Shut up.
Oh, Erica. She walked in the middle of the street,
You see,
bro.
Daddy, what these people doing stopping
Oh
right
my
here?
God.
0 F.
She walked in the middle of the street, bro. Hey, listen, you talk about gangster, bro. She walked in the middle of the bloody street. Happy birthday, boo. Or everybody that be not. What did people I do? Cross the bloody road, bro.
How cold do we gotta be up in here, man?
Because I'm fat.
It's like Alaska.
I'm fat.
I don't don't know if you want to come with me to Chaz's house, but they're cooking over there and we're going swimming.
Who cooking? Cause
J-Mac went to go get some food.
Cause you know I don't eat from everybody. They better be cleaning that meat, bro. Anyways, but hold on, wait. Before we get any further, yo, be nice. Go in the comment section and say happy birthday to Erica, okay? Be nice. Today's her birthday.
And I look crazy. Oh well.
Hey.
I'm about to fix all of that.
So we about to we about to go. We gotta go pick up some marijuana out of her car, and we gonna drive.
No, we ain't going to get that crap. We going to get some fresh stuff.
Okay, so I'm driving. We taking one car then.
Huh?
We taking one car then.
Okay.
Okay. See, I might move. Look like I'm not driving Uber tonight. The skies look so pretty. Look at the sky. The sky looks so beautiful.
Flashing lights, flashing lights, flashing lights, flashing lights.
What's up, y'all?
Come on, Erica.
Biggas vlogging.
Yes, I mean, come real quick. They scared of this Hennessy shot, but hey, it's gonna put some here on their chest. Chest! Come on! Lord. Hey, you supposed to have a shot in your hand, bro. What are you doing? Why you putting the ice in the...
Don't be cheating!
I'm telling you. This nigga gonna get me copywritten for this music. And Erica, Facebook is full of shit. We're taking a shot for Erica's birthday. What are you doing? Why you gotta be so difficult?
Hey, get off
Dang!
Get off the little bus.
Shit!
No, this nigga wanna have a fucking audacity.
Let's go!
Shot.
Shot for Erica. Shut the fuck up, Erica. It's your birthday. Erica! You bald-headed scallywag.
Look at this bubble cloud right
Oh my God. Erica.
Okay, come on.
Blessings, Earth Strong. Happy mother birthday. More money, prosperity, and blessings in our life. We want 2018. Cheers.
One light skin.
Blood clot. Oh. Where y'all shot at? You take the shot. Stop playing, bro. You got ice in there. You got ice in there.
You know, nigga, the only one that really finished the cup. Everybody Biggas said.
Woo! No, you supposed to take a shot, man. Use a. Can we go, please? Can we go? Can we go?
Okay.
J-Mac just came to the party, but it's all right.
Party done. Hey, Juve.
I'm done with him.
J-Mac wine.
Bye. Ooh.
Shush, DJ Bigger, them feel like a broke talk. You have a bunk in your pocket when you walk.
I'm the tech, I don't think you want no action. You want action, you get turned into passing. Your boy's deep, well, let's get to subtracting. Smith and Wesson made my night with some compassion.